The advanced trade selection tool allows you to do interesting things like spotting arbs, delta neutral plays, or simply pick the best funding rate for a given pair. Let's see a few examples. Let's say you want to go long on ETH with a USD stablecoin. You can search for ETH and put it as a base asset. And then to filter a little bit more, you should add a USD stablecoin as a quote. Then you can choose long as side, and you will be returned a list of all pairs with a USD stablecoin as quote asset and ETH as base, only on the long side, across 6 different chains ordered by best APY. You can also toggle this button and show it as ROE. You can see here that this pair on this chain is currently offering you the best funding rate, the APY. You can also decide to include rewards when sorting. Rewards are given by the underlying money markets and can be claimed at the top right on the Contango interface. Remember that if you're trading with size, you might want to input your margin to filter out pairs or money markets that don't have enough liquidity. By clicking on the pair, you will be redirected to the opening ticket on the right, where you could place a trade in one click. If you show both sides, you can also spot interesting delta neutral plays. For instance, going short on ETH on this market and chain will yield about this much. And going long on ETH on this chain and market will yield this much. So by opening two legs on opposite sides, you can be delta neutral and farm rate differentials. If you apply the same reasoning, you can also benefit from rate differentials by farming USD pairs. In this case, you don't need to have two legs, as both assets are pegged to the dollar and move together. Just select them as both base and quote, and you will be given a list of the best yields that you can get on stablecoins in DeFi across different chains and money markets. Remember, you can also farm these rates through strategies under the USD rates page. This is a simplified version of the main trading interface. Under the hood, however, all positions on Contango are built the same way by looping on money markets, so regardless of where you open them, they'll be shown on both pages.